cash register that we bought.
Here we have all of vegetables. We have tomato, we have lemon, we have lettuce, we have broccoli and corn and another corn and a carrot with there's a capsicum and a tomato.
Okay, now let's open it.
Open it. It's so hard.
Yep, you can do it, but it's okay. No.
Like, now I want to look at it. I'll open here. I hope it came out well.
Yeah. Now let's pull it out. Pull it out. So we got everything. Now let me tell you what this is: the scan machine, and this is the ATM card thing, and it has the cash register, and if you click this it actually opens. Look how cute. And here it has the weigh machine, the fruits and vegetables weigh machine, and it has orange juice and bakery powder.
The money now, let's take it out. Okay, thanks.
These are the coins, and this is the ATM card that we should put here. And here are the money, $20 and every dollar.
To open it, it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, I know it's. Be careful. There's tape.
Yeah. Let's take the bag out.
I take it out. The ATM. Here we have a credit card. In the back, we just have black and white and blue.
These are the money. We have to take it out. Let's take one coin. We have to take the coin by one by one. I perfectly scissored the money.
Now we'll take the vegetable basket. Good. Here's the tomato. Nice. Now let's put the battery on. Now let's put this on. Oh no, we need a screwdriver.
Now I operate it, and now I'm going to be showing you. It's so cute. Look. So cute. I'll press and show you. I put all the money inside.
Now let's weigh the corn and
I'll do. So this is the cash register, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up.
Please like this video and smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified and be the first one to watch. And we'll post their videos like this.
Bye bye.